Imagine having a personal assistant that works 24/7 by you and is built by you and never complains. In this video, I'll teach you how to build the AI agents with n8n and it will change the way you work.
Wake up, Daddy's home.
Welcome home, sir. Congratulations on the opening ceremonies. They were such a success, as was your Senate hearing. And may I say how refreshing it is to finally see you in a video with your clothing on, sir.
So my name is Siddiq and I'll show you how you can build your personal AI agent in this video. So first I'll show you the demo of how it works. So let's say this is the AI agents as we see here. So first I'll show you the demo of how it works, right? So let's say we are in the Telegram and we hit the test workflow, right? And let's say we ask our bot like send an email to Siddiq Sheikh asking how is everything going. So as we see, it hits the contact base and hitting the email agents also, and yeah, it works. So the email has been sent to Siddiq Sheikh. The content of email is how is everything. So let's see in the Gmail. So right now I have here my phone and yeah, you can clearly see here. So it sends the message. So it sends the message how is everything. I don't know you can see or not here, but it's sending the message clearly, right? So it's in the email agents, it has been sending. So let's try another one. So let's ask like so we'll just test another workflow. So yeah, so we are hitting and we will ask like create an event for tomorrow at 5 p.m. let's say for dinner. We have heated and the calendar agent is hitting, and after the calendar, as you can see, I have created a calendar event for 5 p.m. title dinner. If there isn't anything, so if we see in our calendar, yeah, so you can see here it's in the calendar 5 p.m. so it works very well. So I'll just ask him another question. So give me a YouTube video script, let's say on DeepSeek, right? So we didn't hit the test workflow, we'll hit the test workflow and it's going pretty much right here. So just hitting the YouTube scripts. So it took around 10 minutes, but if you've seen the YouTube script sub agents, it has succeeded. In response, we can see here that this is the text ready to amaze. We are diving into DeepSeek, that AI agent. This is the output he has given to us. So let's say, so I'll just quickly run you through it how it works. So if we go in the email agent, so let's go in the email agent. So in email agent, how the email agent works is like, so we are going in the email agents. So basically, so if we see the email agent node, here is the workflow input trigger. When any query comes, here is a trigger, and the main important thing is the AI agents. Here you can see the query which is given this is the JSON query. So this is the AI agent node, and in this system message, if you see in the system message, we have system prompt instructions, and this is the very much important thing, because if you miss this out, the AI agent will not work, because this is we have to give the prompt to the agent to have the work. We have chain of thoughts and analyze. If you want this prompt, just comment down below. I'll quickly just give it to you. I'll just send it to you personally. And this is the important things. And in OpenAI chat mode, we are using the Quen Turbo. So in the OpenAI chat model, it is connected open router 3, and Quen Turbo. I have connected with Quen Turbo. I've not connected it with OpenAI API key, because it takes OpenAI, it's very costly, and because Quen Turbo is very good, efficient. And if we see in the email, this is the important thing. So let's see, guys. So this is the send email which we have to send. To send the email, we have here, this is the important thing which the OpenAI have released. This is the from AI email address, and the email address is with we are sending, just right. And this is the for subject, we have to write this, and for the message, we have to for body message, we have to write this message email body, and we have to off this append and n8n attributions, and in sender emails we have Siddiq. So let's say in the get messages, so in the get messages we have operation get many, return to all. We'll keep limit as 50, let's say. And in sender we have from email AI sender emails. And yeah, so in response, as we can see in the response is set as pretty much easy. This is the response, and this is the JSON output. So this is the email agent, and this is the call to action that will take action in Gmail. And if we see in the calendar agent, what we have in the calendar subnode, so let's see in the calendar agents, we have the chat input trigger in the calendar agents, and this is the AI agent tool, which is very much important. So in the define below, so in the source output, we are going to define below. This is the JSON query, as we all know, and this is the important thing. This is the system message. You have to make it pretty much concise, and you have access to multiple tools. So in the expression, we have calendar agent assistant. You have access to multiple tools, take action in the calendar. There is the time date now. For the create events, we have create events, create with attendees, and get events. So let's say we are in the, so let's say we'll go in the create event. So in the create event, we have the event, we have operation as create, and calendar list. This is the important thing. From start, we have to use the start time. For end time, we have to use this expression. And to add attendees, so it's not showing the attendees, because we'll add attendee, like let's say there will be any attendees. If we don't, we can't. So for summary, we have this summary titles. So let's say in Google Calendar, we are going to calendar. This is the create event with, so we'll just put here create event with attendee, let's say. Yeah, perfect. So this is the renamed create attend with attendee. So here in attendee, there was no attendee there, because here is the main attendees, because this is the create event with attendee. It means we have, like, let's say in the calendar agent, we have to put we have, like, let's say we are in the calendar agent, we are going for a dinner with someone else. So we can present their name also within attendees. So here's the attendees, and here the summary from event titles, his things. Yeah, so in the get events, so this is the get events. So this is the get events. In the get events, we have operation get many, and in calendar and return all, we have off date, we have limit 50. And this is the important things, because from AI, one day before the date user requested, we are using this. For after, for before, we are using one from AI, one day after the user requested. Yeah, so this pretty, and the response, as we can see in the response, this is the response, and it's pretty much simple, and this is pretty much clear. And this is the call to action in the calendar. And if we go in the YouTube script agent, so So let's say in the YouTube script agents we'll view subsection for the node YouTube script agent, but it's not, it's very simple. So we have the OpenAI chat model. If clearly seeing the chat model, the OpenAI chat model is the brain for this everything. And in the AI agent we have put defined below. We have like for query we have JSON query. If you have to create a video for llama 3, we can. So this is the important thing, this is the role which I have given to the system to build the AI agents. And in the this is the SERP API we have, which I have used in this module. And this is the script line. For to script line we have given a role, like we have given your role is to come up with a YouTube video script on outline based on the provided query. The video can be flues or tutorial based on the research. So its hook, intro is this, body is this, right? So it's pretty much clear, script line. And this is the brain, as we all know. And in the basic LLM chain, this is used because your role is to come with a, this is to come up with a high click rate title ideas. So we can say, we can rename this video title ideas, video title ideas. Let's see, this is the video title ideas and this is the response node. And it's pretty much easy. This is the response node, this is the possible title JSON tags, and yeah, this works very much fine. And if we see these previous executions, so let's say this is the execution. This works very much pretty easy. This is the execution of the response. So here you can see the structure of video and hook. Okay, I'll need so it's just giving the response. Yeah, so it's pretty much. So now we will go in the research agent, how the research agent will work. It takes time to open. So research agent is pretty much easy. So if we see the last executions, here is the last execution. We all know research agent is not that much difficult. So if we see in the research agent, this is the OpenAI chat model, this is the brain, and this is the text which is given, which is the JSON query, and this is the system prompt, which is important because without this will not work. It will give the random anything. This is, I have connected to the Wikipedia, so it will tell Wikipedia, and then if you want the answer to like particular question, we have to take from the Wikipedia. So I have the Wikipedia is also attached, and this is the edit field which is included here. This is this response chart, JSON output and everything. And that's all about a research agent. And the most important thing is that this is text. We are putting the text as the JSON message text, and if we clearly see here, its output showing the AI agents stopped due to max iteration because it was doing like a lot of iterations. That's why it stopped. And if we see clearly, this is the all about giving the instruction without giving the proper without giving the proper agent to the main AI agent. It will not work. This will not work because we have to give him the proper prompt which I have given. That's why it's like when we when we are in the execution, let's say in the execution second. So what was happening is like it was hitting the contact base and then going to the email agent. It was retrieving the informations from the retrieving from the information from contact base, and this is the contact base which is I have attached. This is the name, Sadiq Sheikh. Sadiq, we have given the email. So that's why it's working. Why it was working, because I have given the perfect prompt to work. Like this is the role objective, you are the personal AI agent, and you are helping the user various instructions. This is the tools of agent, and without this is the important thing, without this it will not work correctly. And if you want this prompt, comment down below. I'll just give you the prompt, how the system prompt about how this works. So we have, so in this prompt the main important thing is roles objective, tools sub agent, And if we see down, we have an examples, and we have example 2. We have to give him example. We have important info, which is the current date and time, the user is in India, and which is the output, right? So this is all about the Telegram, it's all about the AI agent, which is important thing. And if we go in the Telegram, we have send message, we are sending the message. So we have the send operation, and from chat ID, we can chat ID borrow from here, and we can paste it from here. So let's say we can do this. So this is, I'll show you how it works. So this is the chat ID. I'll just delete the another one. Perfectly fine. So it's the chat ID, the way this works. And this, for the text, we have given the JSON output, and we have to make this off, because if you don't, in the Telegram it will message you like this, automatically saying by n8n. So if you off this, it will not give you the message, right? So yeah, so it's pretty much very simple, the chat model. And yeah, so if you got any question, drop them in comments. I'll personally help you out. See you in the next video. Bye.